Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do the counter chain for counter chain 2 and counter chain 1. So this might take some. I personally am not good doing these, honestly. I had trouble with it during the stream. And let's see. These moves don't really do that much damage, but they look fucking cool. I mean, just look at that. And then they do take out the shield really good, so let me show you guys how to do it. I mean, it's the best time to help people out to try to do it right. So personally, the hard part is pressing triangle and circle. Honestly, that's the hardest part for me. Yeah, this room is hella white. Fuck, my eyes are kind of sensitive to that. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is this little trick helped me. You could spam triangle and circle. I'm gonna show you counter chain 1 first. You could spam triangle and circle, and that's how I got it. I spammed it, and that's how I ended up getting it. First, when you do it, you're gonna wanna. I guess I could just tell you. When you guys do it, you're gonna wanna angle your thumb to press triangle and circle at the same time. You know? So, let me show you guys. Boom. There we go. Now it takes out the shit a lot, but I noticed there's not that much damage. So yeah, I angle my thumb a little bit, like I move it. If you think you're pressing triangle and circle at the same time and it's not working, then try to angle your thumb in different like angles to where you're pressing triangle and circle at the same time. That's what helped me fix it, cause I kept doing this shit. I kept going like this. I kept going like this. Press it, and then she would back up. I'm like, bruh, what is she doing? So I angle, just move around the where your thumb is. Move around, move it in a different angle, and that might actually help you guys like get this move down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess you could spam it. You can spam it. Let me try to spam triangle and circle. Spam it. Yeah, yeah, okay. So you could spam triangle and circle. Maybe that might help as well. To get it down. I did spam it there. Because I'm pretty sure I didn't get it right the first time, but spamming it, you get like a small window you can spam it, and one of those has to be right? So yeah, let's try to spam it again. Oh shit. Oh damn. I didn't mean to restart. Or maybe I did. Oh shit. Fuck. You also gotta know the enemy's patterns, man, to where you get an opening. Yeah, okay. I pressed triangle and circle twice there, so just to make sure. You can press it multiple times. I guess you can't spam it, but that might make it harder for some of you guys. But yeah. Anyways, let's go with the other technique. Counter chain 2, which is this move. Counter chain 2 is it's a bit easier because all you have to do is press triangle. This one you have to press triangle and circle. Oh, I mean square and triangle. This one all you have to do is press triangle and then triangle and circle, the same thing as the last time. Boom, there we go. So I angled my thumb there to make sure I pressed it at the same time, you know? You gotta press that shit at the same time. So let me try to spam it. I'm gonna spam triangle and circle a lot and not angle my thumb at all. Let's see if it works. Oh, it worked. There we go. So I spammed triangle and circle a lot. And I didn't even angle my thumb. I was just pressing it like I regularly do. Alright. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's the best. So just to sum it up. Just to sum it up, like, just for like a summary here, guys. Sometimes I just can't speak. A summary here. Basically, my advice is to angle your thumb at a certain place if it's not working the regular way when you press triangle and circle at the same time. So if you're pressing triangle and circle and it's not working, try to angle your thumb a different way to press triangle and circle. Like, don't do it how you normally do it. And then my second advice is to spam triangle and circle. Because there's a little opening where you could press it multiple times and you could get it. But that might be a little unreliable because you might get it sometimes. Just do what fits you the most, and also of course just practice, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. I'm gonna go to sleep. Until the next time, fuck off, guys. Nah, just playing.